Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share about my night skincare routine with you all. So I have already washed my face, as you could see. So now I'll start with my skincare routine, weekly skincare routine. As hair bands are, very important nowadays. So I'm using this cute hairband. So as you can see that I have already washed my face with a face wash, and the face wash is this one, Dot and Key salicylic and green tea face wash. It's a very amazing face wash. I'm using it like since how long? A year. More than a year I'm using it. I don't know how many times I have bought it. So it's a very nice face. It is very nice for people like us who suffers from acne. I have acne prone skin. Nowadays it's not that much. Like acne is not that much visible on my skin, but I used to suffer a lot from acne. Okay, so मैंने अपने लास्ट फ्लाइट में दिल्ली में मेरा फ़्लाइट था, तो हॉल्ट था मेरा 2 घंटे का, तो मैंने ना ये क्यूट मिनीसो से मैंने ये क्यूट स्किन शीट मास्क ख़रीदा है मैंने ये. So this is just 90 rupees, and it has one face wash and a mask and serum. So 3 things are there. So I'm going to use it today. So let's see how it's gonna work. Usually whenever we go to Miniso, no, you cannot stop girls from buying cute things from there. And this is very difficult to figure it. Got it. So we'll wait for 15 minutes and come back. So now I'm going to use the serum, this one. This was inside the package. So this is skin renewal face serum. So I'm going to use this now. I don't know how it is going to. A very little amount of serum they have. So we are going to use the serum. And I always focus on hydrating my face, because the more you hydrate your skin, the more your skin will glow. So after using this one, we will go for the next serum. Of course, serum is the very important part of my skincare routine. So I'm going to use 2 serums. One is active, one is hydrating serum. So the first one is this hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal. ये बहुत hydrating होता है. After that, I'm gonna use this minimalist niacinamide serum, 10% niacinamide serum. This I've been using like a long time ago. From a long time ago, I'm using it. This is my 10th or 11th bottle. I'm not sure. So let's use it. Next part is moisturizer. Moisturizer is very important, okay? People who have dry skin, it's very important for them, but also who has oily skin like me. Do not think that oily moisturizer is not important just because you have oily skin. Moisturizer is very important, and you can use gel moisturizers if you have oily or oily to combination skin like me, okay? So I have been using this minimalist vitamin B5 10% moisturizer. It's very affordable, okay? Like under 400 rupees you will get it. 350 or 370 something is the price, and it's very nice. It's lovely for the people who has people who have oily or acne prone skin like me. However, I have started using a new moisturizer, and it's from Korean Beauty, and it's Quench. This one, Moncherry Ultra Light Moisturizing Gel. It's very nice, okay? Being a Korean Beauty product, it's very affordable. It's under 600 rupees. You will get 50 ml moisturizer, and the quality is very nice. Like this, it's a gel quality moisturizer. I don't know if you can see it or not, and it has a very soothing smell. So I'll use the moisturizer now. Always do a little massage on your skin while you apply moisturizer. So I have started using this ascorbic lip treatment serum because I have a pigmented lips, as you could see. You may not because of the camera quality, maybe. I've started using this because I want to have big pink lips. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to share about this balm review after a while if I see any results. So this is all about my night skincare routine. I hope you guys liked my video. I'll create more skincare videos in future, and I would like to give you a suggestions. All of the girls who are using skincare products, drink a lot of water, hydrate yourself, and eat healthy, okay? Do not eat a lot of junk foods. Eat junk foods, but not regularly, okay? Avoid oily foods, and eat fruits, a lot of healthy fruits. Like fruits, one fruit a day is enough, okay? And acne prone skin girls, please try to use a salicylic acid serum and a face wash in your skincare routine. Serum you can use twice a week, and the face wash you can add in your like nighttime or daytime routine. In daytime you can use the salicylic acid one, and in nighttime routine you can use a gentle cleanser which you can use from CeraVe, you can use from Simple. They're very nice and affordable as well, okay? So yeah, that's it. Bye.